Again then. Hello, audience. We have Manjot Kaur with us today, and welcome to the interview with Hall of Fame with our student Manjot Kaur. So, hi Manjot, how are you doing?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So, Manjot, tell me something about your experience. Like you got placed in Logitech. Which company you got placed?
Ma'am, intellect bastion.
Okay, Intellect Bastion. Okay, sorry for the confusion. I got confused. So, tell me, share your experience with the interview process. So, how was your interview?
Yeah, it was quite good, ma'am. As I'm having a technical as well as legal background, so it was moreover of technical things as well as a legal process. And
Mhm.
whatever you taught in the class, it was the questions were around that only, ma'am.
Okay. So what are your qualifications? What have you done? Like technical and law degree? What are your qualifications?
Ma'am, I did my engineering in computer science, then I
Okay.
did LLB, and then I'm master's in law too.
All right.
LLM.
LLM also. BTech, LLB, LLM. Let's start from like back. So when you were doing your BTech in computer science, so uh, have you started working with any tech company coming from a computer science engineering background, or how you switched to IP sector?
Yeah, ma'am, actually, just after completing my BTech, I switched to law. I was not having any experience, past experience with any sort of a technical industry.
Mhm.
So this is my first hiring actually. So
Mhm.
I switched to law background just because I was more during the BTech thing, I was inclined towards law. Before that, I
Mhm.
was not having that curiosity about law, but
Mhm.
during my BTech, I was continuously in touch with those subjects.
Okay.
So that was the main reason. And my another habit of experimenting with my life was again something which add on me. So
Mhm.
I that is the reason I switched after just BTech. I switched to law,
Mhm.
and after doing law, I actually experienced a completely different personality which I was more bold, I was more having more awareness of my rights. So yes, today I feel that every girl should it should be compulsory for every girl to like study law, what exactly law is.
Okay, great, great, awesome. So, so you are saying law, reading a law for you was a more of an empowerment thing, which has played a quite important role in your
Yeah,
life.
exactly, ma'am. Because uh, if you are existing in a society like we people are having it, so
Mhm.
although we usually talk about women empowerment, but no, actually empower yourself, you need to have that backup with you.
Mhm.
It's just not that knowledge which is like required, but a backup. See,
Mhm.
today like I can just practice as an advocate, so yeah, I know what the field I am exactly into. So yes, you
Mhm.
can I am today having a diversity, so it's basically a conglomeration which I did. So I'm having a diversity thing, so yes.
Great, 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 awesome.
It
So,
end up into like women empowerment again.
great. So now you must be really proud. Now you're financial independent. You are earning. You will be like earning into your money. You are entering into corporate sector. So how is the feeling coming from inside?
Yeah, I'm happy, ma'am, really happy, because the moment I was waiting for to actually practice whatever I learned throughout my educational career. So now the time has come that I am gonna just practice it practically. So yes, a student, you have a very like fluctuating mind. Okay, you keep on fluctuating from
Hmm.
one thing to the another. But while you're working, you're having a lot of stuff in your mind, so your mind is calm. Now I'm okay, like I'm having so much of work, it's just the things I have to, I'm having a lot of things. Okay, after this I have to do this, so nothing, no much chaos in mind, no more.
So your family must be really proud of you now, like you being entering into the corporate world. What is their reaction coming?
Yeah, they are actually proud, ma'am, because they have seen me struggling a lot, because it's not that easy if you just completely change your educational background. So it's really it's a tough thing actually.
Yes.
Even if when you have to face people, or even though when you have to go out and face the interview, the common question they ask me is that, okay, why, just tell me, why did you turned out from a technical background to the law background? So it's
Mhm.
very difficult to justify your move. But yes, now they are proud, because whatever, although there's a long journey, because the
Mhm.
journey has started. Okay, so it's a
Yes.
long journey, but still they are happy that, okay, I finally got something for me to do actually.
So in which city you are located right now?
Ma'am, I'm in Haryana, Yamunanagar.
Okay, Yamunanagar. Yamunanagar is
Yeah.
a quite a small town. I come from a small town, Sonipat, Haryana. So I can understand the environment and society which surrounds you. So I think you're a kind of girl. I think what I can feel is you have come out of your
Yeah,
shell to become who you are, become who you really wanted to be. Is it?
exactly, ma'am. Because everything plays a vital role in your growth. Not even the town where you are situated, but everything. Today, I feel that small town, what small town can give you can't get it in Delhi or somewhere else. And
Mhm.
Haryana is totally a different thing, actually.
I can totally relate to that. I can completely relate to that. Okay, so very, very congratulations, and I'm so proud of you to be at a point where you wanted to be, and I'm really glad that we played a very small role in your life, giving you what you really wanted. So, which part of this program which you enroll into really helped you out, or which stands out? You can say this was the point which was of greatest help to you.
Okay, so ma'am, it's just what I feel is that we are actually, we want a right platform for ourselves, but we don't know how to approach that platform. And you people actually just in like the way you provide the course structure, besides that you provide that connectivity link. Okay, you, me, and then you connected me to some company who is in need of my services, and I am in need of giving them the service. So yes, you acted as a platform where you connected me to the right people actually. So that platform is very much required in today's life, because today you can't trust anyone like this.
Yeah,
Because although I'm also having a legal background, I'm having a lot of trust issues. I don't just rely on people directly. Okay, so
absolutely.
it takes me a little of time to adjust when somebody tells me, okay, ma'am, you we are offering you this. So that is it. Actually, you people acted as that bridge. So like connective, you acted as that connecting bridge who connected me to Intellect Bastion, which was not possible without you people. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your efforts. And like
No,
I just had only
it was all your hard work.
but only up to 20% of my syllabus with you people. And now I was actually I was having multiple of things in my mind, so I was going very slow with the patent process, the thing you were teaching. So I was very punctual with the live classes, but yes, with the recorded one I was a bit slower. Today I feel that I could have gone more faster in those classes too. But yes, I'm happy, ma'am.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's completely cool. Manjot, so thank you so much. And we as a complete team here in Delhi are very, very proud of you. And we are so happy that you will be starting your new journey into the corporate sector. And there's a one special gift I want to give to you, you have become successful. So I want you to go to the next level. So there's a patent agent examination 2021, which is going to be in 2021, which is your next level. So I'm
Yeah.
very glad that we will be giving you a small gift from our side, that I will be your mentor for that course preparation, and you will receive all the training material, all the live lectures, all the study material from our end. And I really want you to see, and I really want you to grow more ahead. Maybe I want to see after 2 years you become an independent consultant. This is my dream for you after talking to you, because I can feel all the potential, all the good things you have to offer in the world. It's just a very small beginning. So I really want you. With all our team are so very proud that in a short time we were able to give you what you really deserve. And I really
Thank you
want,
so much.
yeah, and our team will be in touch with you with March
While
2020.
you are saying, I'm getting those goosebumps, ma'am. It's just I can feel your energy right here. Although there's a lot of distance between us, but yes, I can feel your energy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And we will be in touch, because I'll be your mentor for that examination. Because if you crack that examination, your working avenues will double up in the 2021 year. So this is a small gesture, and I really want you ki you get all the success which you really really deserve. I can see that, and I am now more confident that I'll take you to that level.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm extremely happy with your small gift because for you it might be a little bit of a gift, but for me it's a very big gesture of your love. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I was really interested in giving that patent agent exam. I used to keep on asking you in the classroom also. So, ma'am, is that exam coming? So, thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure being with you and talking to you also, ma'am.
All right, Manjut, great, awesome. Thank you for taking out time today, and stay in touch. Wish you all the very best and all the happiness to you and to your family from my side.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It has been a pleasure being with you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Manjut. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care, ma'am. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Good day.